Steven, this is your primary suite. What do you think about this space?
You know, when we was going through the room, I told you that I wanted a luxury suite feel. And when I tell you, you went above and beyond, I love it. Every time I walk into my room, I feel like I'm in a suite at a luxury hotel.
Awesome.
I love it.
That is what I love to hear. I mean, the changes that we've made in this room have been dramatic.
Yes.
I mean, before it was that faux sort of like, you know, yellow paint that was on the wall.
Right.
We've really added a big, bold punch of color with the orange. You know, really wanted to kind of, you know, make this room stand out, but it's also calm and serene. So it feels like a primary suite, a place where you can come and relax. What I love the most are the prints that we have here. This is a beautiful art print by Nikki Chu, a designer that's, you know, really has a great line of art pieces. And this is, you know, a phenomenal piece that we have in this space, really bringing, I mean, just the feel that we're looking for, the Afrocentric style.
Yes.
And then we also have this blue velvet settee that gives you some comfort, gives you the support that you need, but also makes it a stunning space to just really relax and enjoy. And the sculptures, I mean, really, I feel like this speaks to exactly who you are and what you were looking to see in this space.
Yes, indeed it does.
Now, this is a space fit for a king. It's got all of those features that I think you will absolutely love here. Yes, so I really listened to you when you said I wanted to bring in some of my favorite Black films, chart toppers, you know. Then we also thought about functionality. How can we make this, you know, a fun space for you, your kids, your family to really be able to enjoy? Those movie nights are going to be amazing with your popcorn machine. We've got a popcorn machine here. We've also kind of brought in sort of like, you know, the studio movie grill style, right? Bar top table, so you can kind of, you know, really be able to bring a couple of snacks here, enjoy a little bit of light bites while watching the movie, and then the reclining leather seats. What you will love is right here in the center, if you lift the head, you can turn on a light, pull it down, you've got a cup holder right in the center, multifunctional, you can kick back, turn on some lights. I mean, really, this creates the total ambiance of a theater room.
Listen, I am beyond impressed. Again, I gave you a vision, you executed. Again, the luxury. You know, everybody, a lot of people probably have movie theaters, but they don't have my movie theater.
Right.
And I don't think they have the little bitty nuances that you incorporated into this movie theater. I can't wait to have my first movie night.
Yes.
Game night, fight night.
And with a 100-inch screen like that, I think you can really enjoy a movie, video games. You know, I really love that we just kind of kept it how it originally was. We kept the black walls, kind of keeping it, you know, sort of dark and moody, but then we punched it up with like some of the color in the artwork. You know, that really creates, you know, a nice space that I think really kind of speaks to who you are.
Oh yeah, I really believe that these movie posters take this whole movie theater over
To the
top.
next level.
Yes.